And I would like to request that there will be a response to Adebanjo to make his speech. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for listening.
Our distinguished national ruler, the chairman of the occasion, distinguished sons of the Golan, and our friends from the southwest, southeast, south, and the middle west. All the guys are welcome. Is that what we are doing here today is the catalyst of the unity of Nigeria. And you should be aware, the enemies of the unity of Nigeria will not like it to happen. Very in summer. But these people are determined that we want the unity of this country in peace. We will ignore them and act actually for the unity. Handshake across the Niger. It hasn't happened yesterday. We are each destroying ourselves. The peace of Yoruba land, the peace of Igbola, the peace of Nigeria is established by the handshake across the land. And I want to speak to those of you who believe in this cause. Destroy us. They do this not by taking processes and guns, by showing disunity between the Yorubas and the Igbos. Little thing is fine. Oh, the Yorubas, you can't trust them. Yeah, they are going with the Igbos again. No, they have done. The Yoruba are releasing always. If you listen to him, you are destroying yourself. We have not come here to gang up. The Yorubas have come here in our own enlightened self-interest. We have not come here as an alliance. We are not ganging up wrong God. Get it clear. Anybody who be deceived, come to us. If the Igbos want to have presidency in 2019, come and join us. It's a deceit. Any group, any founding unit of this nation who want to claim rights to the presidency is must be through the constitution. Not by anybody doing you a favor. Oh, because you are my friend, we give it to you. You don't have to be presidency of Nigeria and because of the favor of any group. It is your right. And the only thing that can guarantee you is your right is the restructuring of Nigeria. No more, no less. Procedure of being a president in Nigeria. The Lord knows when to be their turn. The South knows when to be their turn. The West knows when to be their turn. The East knows when to be their turn. The Northwest, Southwest. That has been done. Not at the favor of the pressure of any other group. It is that one we want to agree on. In doing anything in Nigeria, and I want you to attend, make sure this is done before you do any election. If you go to any election without restructuring, you are perpetuating oppression. We must be sure under what constitution we are going to have that election. The cheating, the marginalization, the oppression, even the corruption under the government can only be wiped out if there is a true federalism in this country. The West and the East, they are not gambling up against anybody. We are only saying, let us be together on an agreed terms. And those agreed terms have been agreed to by our founding fathers. Dr. Zimbwe, Shifaolo, and Isabella Ojokoto. And let any member in this audience, please listen to this. Check out. If it is wrong, come and tap me. But before we got independence, anybody telling you, grandly about that, everybody talking about restructuring, you want to strengthen Nigeria. Those are the people who want to destroy Nigeria. Before we came together, before the colonialists granted us independence in 1960, we have agreed since 1954 on the terms on which we will be together. And the colonialists sent us to London. Go and check on this. This is not making propaganda. This is an historical fact. There was a crisis in the whole Western region, and the colonialists called us. Because many of us say, if you don't understand restructuring, go back to 1960 Constitution. If you don't know, this is the basis of it. Because after that crisis, and your federation was in a tumult, the colonialists said for us, ladies and gentlemen, what I am telling you, I didn't read it in the books. I was a participant. All the minorities that are talking today, it is at that conference that they were established under the Willing Commission. Many of our leaders didn't appreciate the question of the minorities. Shifaolo was emphatic. You can't keep this country together until you create one state and have equality in the country. At that conference, ladies and gentlemen, please listen and check up before you either make a noise, before you reject, before you accept. know on what facts you are. They're not campaigning here for us to be united. We have been united and independent by our founding fathers. And I continue to repeat, when I say we want constitution according to the Federalism of 1924, Muhammad Buhari cannot claim to be one northerner than the southerner. That is the man who signed the constitution we are talking about. Check up. As if we signed it, check up. I don't know, sign it, check up. Who are you now trying to oppose it? And why are you opposed to it? And nobody has ever challenged that statement when we say we should go back to the constitution of our founding fathers. I want to be challenged by the vice president who now wants to speak to me that we want Nigeria, that are united. We have united Nigeria before I was born. It is not campaign, this is a statement of fact. Myself and his father were followers of the founder, campaigning for federalism. Before I was born, that he was born in federalism. So you get the engagement. Let us take a serious look at what we are doing. If we really want to be in Nigeria united, not other way. You just have to do the structuring as a different federal constitution. Anything outside this, you are not sincere. And I have challenged Buhari and APC before. Buhari is the problem of Nigeria by opposing the structure. There is no other way. Don't let anybody disturb you. And the way to do it, we will achieve it if we are united. And they know that. That is why they always draw a will in our progress. Yoruba, you want to live with the Igbo? They have forgotten what they did for you. Igbo, you want to do with the Yoruba again? They have forgotten that is a thing of the past. When everybody tells you that, we are not looking to the past. We are looking to the future. The only future that can keep this country together in peace. I want to emphasize in peace because one thing knows you can't keep it together under the constitution in peace. That is why I want to use force. And I want to warn you why you don't restructuring in peace. Because his people are the beneficiaries of the lopsidedness of this constitution. Oh, yeah. I want you all to know, if you don't need me in the board, the country is gone. A man who is in this country as the president for the last 2 years, see what is happening with the Fulani herdsmen. Now pretending now that, oh, I don't know, I'm just setting up the committee. These are the people who kidnap a person and follow. And the other work. And please note, each time any community try to fight back these people, the forces of Abuja will come in. They break them down. Then they know they're happening. If it's another person, they don't know. Don't be deceived. They are sending the policemen to go to Patoni to be there. We have been hearing that before. Did they not send policemen to the Solar Cabinet? Did they not send the private executive go to Solar Cabinet? When you are killing them, the second day the army got there, they will lay them again. And not a single arrest. Now he's telling us, I'm going to arrest them. Go after them. The man who go after them is the man who tells you that What is happening? It's all communal fight. The people are attacking independent people, and they members of the community. And you know this line has been continuous at the beginning of the accident, when we have been shouting Fulani accident when he came into office. Try to remember, the authorities now shall blame press. Why do you do that? They are Fulani. You will say at that time, they will not say, accident. Those Fulani, they come from other places. On that place from Nigeria, we should examine. If it is true that they are not Fulani, they are from other parts of the country. From Nigeria, and they go through to Makurdi, to Adamawa, to Ilorin, to all parts of the country. What security are you doing then? I just to show you that it's on the day. We should consolidate this unity by which all Nigeria will come together. We are only the principal factor required. Southwest, Southeast unity is a sine qua non to the peaceful unity of Nigeria. Note, I mentioned peaceful, and I said, why we not do it in peace? He has ensured that all the enforcement of military and paramilitary are in his hand. When he did this, we shouted, you people need to take care. The Inspector General of Police, the Chief of Army Staff, custom people, Chief of the Services of the government, saying, all are coming out. To do what? As a result, by the time you ask them to go after this criminal, he refused to recognize Fulani asked them as terrorists. And yes, the peaceful high-born people shouting for independence, the state of the land. Is that a man fair to you? That is to show you that he does not believe in anything. What we are doing is, we want our independence, our unity stay together. We don't want the unity of the horse and the rider. Where they will be the rider and we will be the horse. That is unity while it's pushing. We must get it and consolidate this unity and refuse to reflect on anybody exploiting any iota of disunity among us. Refuse to get it. Whatever may be our differences in the past is gone. What we are doing for is gone. So Nigeria is unity through restructuring by the South-West and South-East being the catalyst in the solution of the Nigeria.
We know what standing ovation means. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Chief Ayo Adebanjo. Thank you very much for starting and to the point. We are moving slightly into the middle belt.
Our people, there are people who have grievances over Python dance. It's a seat in every society. They are aggrieved, and we will give them time to express their grievances. Chukwu gozie unu. Ụmụnne anyị niile nwụrụ Chineke ga-agba ya mfa. Nwanne anyị nwoke bụ nna ya odo nọ n'elu ife a ọnya ọnụnwa ife anyị mgbe mụ nwa uche ọnụ LOC. A ga-enye unu ohere ka unu kwuo okwu. Mana biko, asụsụ na awa ozugbo azụba ọbalụgonu ndị aghụghọ ka ọ gara ịkpọtụ akpọtụ. Chukwu na ya unu. Nwee ndidi, ife dị ọkụ ga-ajụ oyi daalụ n'ime.